Start by making one ponytail in the center and turning that back knot into 2 braids. Then giving yourself a nice side section and prepping with big hot curling iron or hot rollers, splitting into 2 and slicing all the way through the section, and a simple twist. Slicing through and twist, slice through and twist. And then you're going to want to pinch and pull as you go and do some spray. And this is basically the method, but where you get the fullness is with the prepping and the curls, whether the fine hair needs mousse or some kind of spray-in gel, but you need something that gives the hair a little tack and a little stiffness. If the hair is just left silky natural, it'll flop. You can even on some heads tease the root of these 2 sections and then do your 2-strand twist right on top of teasing. Whatever it takes for the hair you have to get fullness. So working down toward that lower bun, which is just 2 braids, and you will see how that works. And most of this style is placement, pinching, pulling, and getting the shape right. I'm gonna just hold that off until we get the other side done, and you will see how nice and full you can get this. And again, you don't want the hair to be too silky. Slicing all the way through, picking up a second slice and twist. And you want to work with the knuckles right on top of the head. If your hands are too far away, your braid will be too loose and get too slippery. So practice this. And the reason why I don't pin in the back just yet is because we really need to work with the client and the mirror and to make sure the braids are even and that the fullness is the same from the front. So this is where I would call getting halfway buy-in. I would show her the front, show her the braids, and just get her to be excited about the potential. So now we're going to want to make sure that these braids don't droop and slide. You don't want to see any parting between the ponytail that is in section 4, which is the crown, and section 2 and 3, the sides. Just pinch them and pull them up. And now you can just take a hairpin and just loop up and over until these 2 side braids are full, even, and what the client likes. These are beautiful with a crown of flowers as well. So now that that's secured and attached, we can decide and start shaping, making sure everything fits in. So I'm going to take, here we go, I'm going to take a bobby pin out of the braids because I want to tuck this braid under the bun. When you work with sections, it's easy to go in and make adjustments. When you have a system that's repeatable, you don't get frustrated because you're not just wadding up a bunch of hair and hoping it stays. It's section by section. And with the freedom of the sections, you can shape them, you can fatten them out like that. You can pin them. And we're going to just continue to build our shape. So I notice here the ponytail in the back where the braids are needs to be pulled at the nape on one side. It's not even. And this is pretty common. So just continue to put as much fullness and shape as I can. And I'm going to tuck this in after a little bit more pinching. Pin that braid, then bring it down and fit it in to the 2 braids at the nape. Now we're going to continue to just shape and be loose and soft. Now you can see she's uneven here. Don't ever let this get you frustrated. You did not do anything wrong. So you're not fixing a problem. This is artwork, and an artist just keeps tweaking until they're happy. Here you go. Give it a try and loosen up your updos.